Welcome to day 3 of the lung fitness challenge. So today we will add some new practices and उतना ही करना जितना body allow करे, though it's very simple for all of us. Again, जैसे like we have been practicing in so many postures, breathing. So for us it's easy only, but still जितना हो उतना ही करना है. So first you will sit straight, conditioning, back straight, spine straight, chin perpendicular to body, shoulders rolled back, head straight, both the hips firmly on the mat. Palms on the knees, facing upward. Any mudra, I am in chin mudra, dhyan mudra, gyan mudra, whatever you can say. And Ardha Padmasana, you can have any asana. You can take a back support also on the bed, agar kahin pe jahan pe aise ho, can sit on chair also. लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे, लंबा गहरा श्वास छोड़ेंगे. ब्रीदिंग ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, आईज को क्लोज करेंगे. ऑब्जर्व योर ब्रीदिंग. ऑब्जर्व योर थॉट्स. Just observe your thoughts, don't entertain them. Observe them like you are watching somebody else's thought. Don't get attached to them. Neither getting overwhelmed nor sambhav. सांस लेंगे, सांस को छोड़ेंगे. Bring your palms together. ओम का चैंटिंग करेंगे और सहना ववतु मंत्र पढ़ेंगे. थ्री टाइम्स करेंगे. सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे. ओम शांति शांति शांति. लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे, लंबा गहरा श्वास छोड़ेंगे. फर्स्ट नॉस्ट्रल क्लियरेंस कर लेते हैं, तब तक शैला आ जाएगी. राइट नॉस्ट्रल को बंद करेंगे, लेफ्ट से सांस को बाहर छोड़ेंगे. लेफ्ट क्लोज करेंगे साइड से. ऑल्टरनेट. both the nostrils. लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे, लंबा गहरा श्वास छोड़ेंगे. Let's do few rounds of Kapalbhati, 2 minutes. टू मिनट्स कंटिन्यूअसली करेंगे. चेहरे पर एक सहज मुस्कान के साथ. When you smile, everything around you changes in a positive way. Relax. Take a long deep breath. Let's begin first with the few stretches with the breathing. Let's start the session formally with the banding exercise. Right hand down. Spine सीधी रहेगी. Lungs are more towards the back, not towards your chest. इसलिए spine का सीधा रखना, it's very, very important. Hand up, closer to your ear, and exhale and bend. Inhale and center with the spine straight. Don't bend forward. ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. सीधे रख के. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale center. Left bending, center. Inhale. Exhale. We are making spaces in all parts of our lungs with the different stretches. Mindfully करेंगे because we are doing with the breath work. And relax. Roll back your shoulders. Now the twisting and bending both. Twisting, left hand up, left hand on the right shoulder, and then bend, twist and bend. Yes. Left hand on the right shoulder, right knee, right hand up, and bend. Exhale. Inhale, center. ठीक है? Right hand on the left knee, left hand ऊपर, and bend. पहले हम इस हाथ को यहाँ रख के कर रहे थे. Now we will do this hand को यहाँ. Every time we'll do this. Change of posture. This is a little different. We haven't done it before. To take a grip, grip लेने में. Exhale, breathing का ध्यान रखेंगे. Change your arm. Arm change. तो इतनी ऐसे लग रही हो ना, वो टेडी बियर जैसे मेरे को. वो क्या बोलते हैं वो एस्किमो. मूविंग एस्किमो.
बेड भी ऐसा है मैम.
बेड भी ऐसा है, ऊपर से वो रजाई वजाई भी रखी है, कपड़े भी है. मजा आ रहा है देख के. And still trying to do. That is important. सर्दी में हमारे हाथ पैर नहीं खुलते हैं, but it becomes more important to practice yoga in winters.
Yeah.
Because lungs और पूरा body भी shrink होने लगता है. That's why winters. And few more. And relax. Now the next. Hands here. And with the twisting. हाथ यहीं रखेंगे. Chest के थोड़ा सा इधर ही. And exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. I know it's a little difficult to focus for you because body is also not very comfortable. Try to do as much as you can. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. पूरा कमर से ट्विस्ट हो रहे हैं. Exhale, twist. Shoulders को आगे squeeze नहीं करेंगे. Shoulders पूरे ऐसे ही रहेंगे. Body twist हो रही है, कंधे से नहीं हो रहे. Not from the upper part of the body. Middle part of the body से. Twist, center. करो twist, center. Twist, center. Twist, center. Relax. Take a long deep breath. Now the same position. Now what? Inhale. Be mindful. Exhale. Up to the belly. Overhead. Inhale. Breathing के साथ. Imagine your air is going up. Exhaling. Releasing from all part. Inhale. Very, very simple. You can do even on bed also. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale overhead and below chest. Inhale overhead. Exhale below chest. Feel the diaphragm going up and down. Inhale. Exhale. Imagine the air is flowing between your all vertebrae of spine. Inhale, shoulder blades all engaged. Exhale. Feel the movement of the shoulder blades. With eyes closed, be mindful. Inhale, exhale. 3 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe from nose, not from the mouth. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Rotate your shoulders. Anti-clockwise. And up to the ear. And relax. Bring your palms closer. This can do comfortably, कपड़े पहने हुए. Inhale, exhale. Exhale यहाँ पे. Inhale, open your lungs. Bulge your chest out. Throw your chest out. Exhale, center. Inhale.
cat and cow type हुई?
Not cat and cow. Spine को हम
Okay.
arch नहीं कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
Spine सीधी है हमारी. We are just moving our shoulder blades, engaging our arms and chest. Cat and cow is this and then this. This and this. We are not doing this. We are just sitting straight and moving our arms. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open your chest. Shoulders को जितना पीछे ले जा सकते हैं ले जाओ. And exhale. Relax your shoulder. Open your chest. Relax your chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. गर्दन को ऊपर ही रखेंगे. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. उतना ही deep inhale करेंगे. Inhale. Exhale. Be mindful, observant, इसीलिए कि हम अपने length में पूरी air भर रहे हैं. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale and relax. Again, rotate your shoulders up and down and relax your arms. Just hold your elbows. Take them up. गर्दन सीधी, spine सीधी, neck up. Inhale, exhale, bend. Exhale. If you notice, we are engaging all parts of our lungs. Lung वो टेनिस कोर्ट का जितना बड़ा होता है हमारा, और हम इतना श्रिंक कर लेते हैं उसको. That's why we are not able to breathe. COVID has taught us how breathing is important. You can sustain many pandemics if you have the better lung capacity. I mean, nowadays it's become so important to make an effort to keep ourselves healthy with the environment, with the medical, जो भी उनका वो चल रहा है पूरा experiment. It's important. It's our duty also to stay fit for ourselves, for our children, for our people who loved us. Here on the planet Earth, I'd say exhale. Center and stretch. थोड़ी देर नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग करो इसमें ऑब्जर्व योर ब्रीदिंग लंबा गहरा श्वास लो ऑब्जर्व योर changes in your body is changing with all these movements and breathing. Give attention to your body and relax your arms. Release your arms, rotate your shoulders. And very good. Now with all these movements, now I'll practice some breathing techniques. जो कल हमने करी थी. First is abdominal breathing. Right hand of the abdomen, left hand on the chin mudra. Sit straight, eyes closed. With the mind power, send the breathing on your abdominal area. With every inhale, inflate your abdomen. With every exhale, squeeze your abdomen. You can keep your eyes closed throughout the session because these are the practice. You just listen the instructions and keep on doing, practicing it. And observing your breath. Whenever your mind goes left and right, just gently bring it back. Very gently. No fighting with the thoughts. Bring back gently to your breath. लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे, लंबा गहरा श्वास छोड़ेंगे. Direct your mind to send the breathing wherever your attention is. Right now, we are practicing abdominal breathing. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Squeeze fully. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. माइंड का इधर से उधर भागना कम हो जाता है व्हेन वी फोकस ऑन अवर ब्रीदिंग और बॉडी मूवमेंट कि मेरा एब्डोमेन फूल रहा है तो हमारा अटेंशन पूरा यहाँ है. सो माइंड रिमेन सेंटर्ड. इनहेल. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Inflate your belly. Exhale. 2, 3. Squeeze your belly. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Relax, release your hand on your thighs and normal breathing. You can change your leg. Now the second part, thoracic breathing. Left hand on the chest, right hand in the chin mudra on the thighs, and start directing the air towards our lungs area, chest area. Inhale and feel the expansion of your chest. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Enjoy how your body is moving with your intention. Wherever you want, you can send the air, the prana urja, you can send it. Imagine how wonderful it is. पहले हमने abdomen में भेजा, now we are sending it to the lungs. And abdomen उतना ही धीरे belly में हो रहा है movement. पहले हम belly में expansion feel कर रहे थे. Now in the chest area. Enjoy the magical capacity which the God has blessed us. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Two more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and release your hand. Normal breathing, observe the changes, observe your mental state, physical state. Your breathing, are you feeling any calmer, more stable, more balanced? Keep on observing. It's the self journey. Now to the clavicular region. Opposite hand, opposite palms on the opposite collarbones. Now be mindful and send the breathing prana urja towards your neck region, your collarbone region. Inhale, lift your shoulders. Exhale, release your shoulders. Feel it. The lifting and releasing with the breathing. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. And relax your hand on your thighs. Again, observe with a closed eye. इतनी देर शायद हम एक आसन में ही नहीं बैठते, स्पाइन सीधी नहीं रखते. So many changes are happening in the body. Now the full yogic breath. Right hand of the abdomen, left hand on the chest. And with the mind, we'll send the air to belly, chest and the neck. तीनों रीजन में चेस्ट को एयर को भेजेंगे एंड वी विल ऑब्जर्व इट. तीनों रीजन का bulge your belly, expand your chest, lift your shoulders with the inhale and relax your belly, relax your chest, relax your shoulders with the exhale. Okay, let's go. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. I am speaking, so Meera, just observe your own movements with the counts. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, belly, chest and shoulder. Inhale, belly, chest and shoulder. Exhale, relax, relax, relax. Inhale, expand, expand, expand. Exhale, relax, relax, relax. Synchronize it with the nature. That's how the nature also works. In the morning, we get up, we expand ourselves. In the night, we relax. The same way nature works. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Relax your hand Watch your breath. Watch the rhythm in your breath and your body. Harmony in your breath and your body. How aligned you are feeling. You are feeling one with the nature, a part of the nature. Inhale and exhale. Accepting all the challenge. Every scar I have is the proof of my existence. I have survived. I am beyond all the challenges. I am the divine soul, part of the universe. I am the universe. Reflect all the practices we did together. Where did we start? How were we feeling when we started? Observe all the changes. How are we feeling before the session, during the session, and now after the session? Observe throughout your day how it is impacting your routine. Is it making it better, making you more calmer, making you more balanced, making you more focused, making you more mindful? Take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Smile, we could do this together. In spite of all this thing, I can manage, I could manage. Smile on your energy. Be thankful. Take a long deep breath. Let's chant Om with the prayer. Om. Om. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. On this peaceful note, let's close the session. It's so important to pray together. It raises the energy around us, bring us more closer to the divine energy. Thank you so much, Jaya, for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Jaya.
Thank you.
I'm really, really grateful to you. Thank you.
आप कर लो आगे अब मैं.
Yeah.
Thank
Well,
you.
I'll be 12 अभी और कर लूंगी बाद में. That's how I'm closing the session. I know you could do this much. This is great.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day. Have a great day.
Thank
How
you,
are you
ma'am.
feeling? You're feeling
Yeah.
better, na?
I'm feeling better.
Yeah.
सांस वाला तो इसलिए मैं नहीं छोड़ रही हूँ कि बैठ के भी कर सक रही हूँ अभी।
हाँ, सी
और जैसे यहाँ थोड़ा-सा है पॉल्यूशन या मुझे ना जुकाम भी था, बट वो मुझे अफेक्ट नहीं किया बिकॉज़ आई थिंक बिकॉज़ ऑफ दिस।
यस,
यहाँ
मैंने
ठंड है।
बताया ना, ठंड
हाँ,
है। और दिल्ली में जब मैं गई थी तो मैंने बताया ना, पेपर में हेडिंग आया था, वेलकम टू द गैस चेंबर।
यस।
सो इन केस अगर हम वो उसमें से कर सकते हैं, आई कुड स्टे 1 वीक अच्छे से एंड कुछ नहीं हुआ, तो थोड़ा
हुँ,
बहुत हल्का बहुत गले में लगा भी तो निकल गया। सो
हाँ।
दैट्स हाउ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग आवर कैपेसिटी। चलो, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।
थैंक यू मैम।
बाय बाय, बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो।
यस,
बाय
बाय,
बाय।
बाय।